Thanks for clicking on the video. This video is for my dopamine hit viewers, the guys and girls that want the faster type videos. I made a longer detailed version if you're interested in that, with a lot more explanation of this specific video and what we're talking about here. I am at my Kenmore refrigerator. Some concern that people may have after they change their filter inside of their refrigerator is some black carbon and or airy type bubbles in their water when they go to get their first glass of water after changing their filter in the refrigerator. I just changed mine. It is located on my freezer side right there at the bottom, and what happens is you open that tab, take out your filter, put your new filter in, and what happens during that process when you take your old filter out, you introduce air into the water line while you're putting in your new filter there. And then the black substance that I will try to leave a picture of right here for you guys to see, that is just loose carbon that has come out of the dry new filter. So what happens is you have to get some water flowing through that filter because, again, the particles and carbon inside the new filter needs to get flushed and it needs to get soaked. So you got to pump some water through that new filter and get it wet. I made an explanation of the more explanation type video or longer video of this specific video explaining that process. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. You won't see anything black because I've already removed that. I've already gotten a few glasses of water out of here already, but I still have some air bubbles in here. But this stuff is not to be concerned. You don't have to be concerned with this. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So that should be enough water there. Bring you guys over here to some light so you can see. So as you guys can see right there, a lot of bubbles, almost looks like carbonation in soda pop. But you do not have to be alarmed with stuff like this. All you need to do to fix this is get a milk carton jug, or you can use a bowl like I used. Put this up to here, drain out at least 2 gallons of water, and all you're doing is flushing out that new filter and your water line that's located inside of your refrigerator. Once you fill this up, about 2 times for me, dumped it out. This is also a great time to clean your garbage disposal if you're doing that. So throw a pot in there while you're dumping all that water out from the refrigerator that you just got. Run your garbage disposal. Good time to do that. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. But again, purpose of this video, you do not have to be alarmed with that first black substance that comes out of your refrigerator after putting in a new filter, and you don't have to be concerned with that carbonation look of the water. All you need to do, drain about 2 gallons of water out, get that filter or get the water running through that new filter, and you should be good to go. So you do not need to be alarmed or concerned with that look of your water. As you continue to get water out, that water should clear up.